Hey guys, Ashley Moore, 4-H Program Assistant, McCoy County Extension Service. Here I got a cool activity for you. I'll show you how to make exploding boomerangs, otherwise known as exploding popsicle sticks. For this activity, you need 5 popsicle sticks, and of course your target. We're going to start out with 3. What you want to do is you want to fan shape them, but your third one needs to go in the middle and on top of your fan, just like this. In the middle and on top, and you want to make sure that you're holding pressure down here at the bottom. Your 4th stick, we're going to weave it. Push it in about midways. Your 5th one is what's going to hold it together. You're going to do the same as you did the 4th, but in the opposite direction. That's going to pull these 3 together. And once you have your 5th one in place, that's going to hold your boomerang together. Let me show you what these guys can do. You have your target, you have your boomerang, you just aim it and fling it. Hope you guys enjoy. Let us see what you got in McCoy County Extension Service.